In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Now scroll again to click on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Finally, before doing anything, you can make it much easier by hitting Recent and tapping on one of those options. This way you can see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all of your apps on this device, or apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, click on any of those and use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them. Then gray ones to turn them back on. But most people miss that you can also go back, click on one of your apps over here, and this way not only manage notifications thanks to this switcher at the top to turn them off or on, but also manage all of those options like vibrate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!